It's your girl Dominica. I'm back with a quick tutorial to show you how I made these ombre chocolate covered pretzels. As always, the supplies that you need will be in the description box. I'm starting out with my chocolate already thinned. If you'd like to see how I thin my chocolate, you can watch my previous pretzel video. I'll link that in the description box. You guys, these were so easy and quick. I may just have to start doing all of my pretzels like this. After I added my sprinkles, I thought they still looked a little bit too plain, so I did end up adding a drizzle. I didn't record that part, but if you'd like to see how I drizzle my pretzels, that's in the previous pretzel video as well. And here's the finished product with the drizzle. I love how these turned out. When you're rolling them like that, it's kind of hard to control, get the straight lines at the end of the pretzel, so the drizzle does clean that up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.